Hi, I'm Radu Zidorescu. My YouTube handle is Shiki, and I've been a DevOps engineer for 5.5 years now. My transition into DevOps was quite difficult because I came from a technical support engineering background and I had a lot of gaps to fill in fast. I didn't have a mentor initially, and it was quite difficult for me to assimilate new information because I didn't know where to start and how to start. But hopefully I made it because I'm here 5.5 years later, and throughout the years I actually had a few friends approach me and asked me to help them to transition towards DevOps, which is why 1 year ago I got this nutty idea that I can put together a sort of road or journey which would help someone transition into a DevOps centric role. Which is why I started my Path to DevOps series on YouTube, which takes 3 microservices, containerizes them with Docker, deploys them to a Kubernetes environment, talks a lot about containers, Kubernetes, cloud, mainly Azure, and helps you tie everything together using pipelines. So CI/CD is there as well. At the end of the journey, we get into infrastructure as code via Terraform. And basically, we're trying to achieve this state of automation where you click one button and in the end, you get everything infrastructure related deployed for you by pressing that one button. And then you have a set of ready pipelines in Azure DevOps, and you trigger those, which will push your code into the newly deployed infrastructure. And you obtain this spectrum of automation, which allows you to be agile with your changes, be fast, be able to put changes into your code and push them fast to the infrastructure, or be able to tear down or bring up your infrastructure, everything that's required for a DevOps engineer job. So if this is something you want to get into, check out the Path to DevOps series on my channel and drop me a message if you have a question for me. I'll see you there. Cheers.